You're as excited as a kid on Christmas morning, but instead of Santa Claus, it's your RetroFoam installation day. This is the day your home takes a big step toward being more comfortable and energy efficient. Before the crew arrives with the trucks and foam, there are just a few simple things you can do to make sure everything goes smoothly. Think of this as your RetroFoam install checklist. The RetroFoam injection foam installation process is quick and efficient, but it does create some vibrations in the walls. That's why the first step is prepping the inside of your home. Remove wall decor and shelf items. Anything hanging on the walls, like photos, mirrors, or artwork, should come down. Even items sitting on shelves near the walls can be affected by vibration, so it's best to move those too. Pro tip: if it's fragile, move it toward the center of the room for extra peace of mind. Next up, your pets. Dogs, cats, or any curious critters should be moved to another room or a secure area. This keeps your pets calm and safe, and helps the crew work efficiently without distractions. In some cases, your installation crew may ask you to temporarily turn off your HVAC system. This helps prevent dust from circulating through your home and keeps the install process moving smoothly. Now let's step outside, because a little prep here goes a long way. Protect your landscaping. If bushes, flower beds, or plants are tight against the exterior walls, trim them back if possible, or cover them for protection. A quick conversation with your installer can help make sure your landscaping stays safe. Anything leaning against the house, like patio furniture, grills, and kids' toys, should be moved away so the crew has room to work. And if there's a gate or fence the crew needs to access, be sure it's unlocked on install day. If your yard doubles as your dog's restroom, take a few minutes to clean up beforehand. It's a small courtesy that makes a big difference for the crew. Here are a few extra things that can help your installation day go even smoother. If you have allergies or asthma, let your project manager know, as adjustments can often be made. If you're aware of pests in your walls, take care of that before install day. Surprise guests can stop a project fast. And if you live in a tight neighborhood, give your neighbors a friendly heads up. Trucks, equipment, and a little noise are all part of the process. Following this checklist helps ensure your RetroFoam installation goes off without a hitch. With just a little prep, your install crew can focus on what matters most, making your home more comfortable, energy efficient, and sealed up for the long haul. If you have more questions about RetroFoam insulation or want to learn more about the installation process, be sure to check out the Learning Center on our website. You'll find helpful articles and videos designed to answer all your questions.